to shoot. Baroka forced to put it up. No good. And Escoto, they're going to be deposited.
Somebody lost here for the white shirts.
And they enjoy a 4-point advantage. Sanggalang almost loses. Ends up in the hands of Escoto, puts it in.
Third field goal for the blue shirts.
Sanggalang. Ian downstairs to Escoto. Easy basket down low.
Points at inside the paint on pace like this, coming off extra passes.
And basket by...
I know that word. Remember? Sometimes.
Escoto, well, you called it, Coach Roddy. He's really been phenomenal so far here in the first half.
He has been the best player on the offensive converge. That's one thing Magnolia has done. And then the late closeout by Ambohon.
Baroka. Here's Sanggalang once again.
Cross match.
Alfaro. They kick it over to the baseline. Why not? Escoto, turnaround. Jumper's good.